Hi everybody, my name is TJ Shibbish, and I'm going to be showing you today how to make the Pear Cucumber Cooler, one of our signature cocktails that we're going to be doing for $5 on Tuesdays. First, we're going to start with the cucumber coin, and we're going to drop that right in our mixing tin. After that, we're going to muddle it up nice and good. While we're doing this, we're going to talk to you a little bit about the patio, which we now have open, and it has beautiful umbrellas and stage lighting for night. After we're nice and muddled, we're going to add 2 ounces of sour mix. And this is homemade with orange juice, lemons, limes, and simple syrup, which we also make here, which is just equal parts sugar and water. Next, we're going to add 1.25 ounces of absolute pears. It's absolutely wonderful. These combinations together are just fantastic. And look at that, I'm measuring everything to make sure it comes out with the right flavor. Okay, now I'm going to take this right here, and I'm going to add some ice, just like so. Cover it up with my shaker glass. Now I got all the ingredients in the mixing tin. I'm going to hold it high above my head and shake, shake, shake. Nice 20 times. Pop it to loosen it up. Pour the contents through a strainer into the glass. And then we're going to top it with soda water. Boom. There you have it, our Pear Cucumber Cooler. Cheers, Women's Lifestyle Magazine.
Hi, my name is Shelby Gaskin. I'm a bartender here from Twisted Rooster. Today we're going to be making the blood orange margarita. Got a mixing tin right here packed full of ice. We're going to add 1.25 ounces of Jose Cuervo. Three-fourths of an ounce of triple sec. And we've pre-measured 3 ounces of the blood orange. Shake it up. Strain it over some freshly packed ice. And garnish with half of an orange wheel.